Hello, everyone. It's Kier again at Auto Markets, and today's video is about your broker, the Forex broker. I can't necessarily tell you who to pick. However, I can tell you who I use and the benefits of using these type of people and different brokers out there. So, firstly, your broker is in essence your bank for the trading world. Unlike a normal bank account, your broker account allows you to trade the funds within it. So if you use your bank account, you can't just trade what's in your bank. You have to set up a broker account. And this is sometimes called a trading account. In addition to this, all closed profits are added to your account balance instantly. So when you're trading, as soon as you close that trade, if it's in profit or negative, it's taken away or added to your account straight away, instantly. Now, withdrawals aren't instant, like in most cases, should I say. Um, Excuse me. It's not instant in most cases. Like, it's not like doing a bank transfer. You can request a withdrawal and it can take various amounts of times to process. However, they are generally ranging from like 1 to 5 business days. I can confirm the broker that I use, which is IC Markets, tends to be next working day. IC Markets is an Australian broker, so they're not FCA regulated. That's the word. They're not FCA regulated to the UK, but they are regulated to Australia's terms. For me, they're good enough for what I use it for. I wouldn't suggest anyone use them over 20k in cash. I use this account for my small scalping trades. But yeah, they're good. The reason why I use them, sorry, and the reason why I recommend it to the people starting out is because their spreads are very low. So another thing to look out for when setting up your account is that it's an ECN or raw spreads account. This means that the broker will not manipulate the market. So IC markets do not do that. For example, if the spread is set at 5 by the banks, then the broker will not add to the spreads, hence raw spreads, as they are no different to the original market. For more information on that, I'll add a video link to spreads and swaps video that I've done as well. As I said, I use IC markets because they're the lowest spreads and commissions that I've personally come across. Not only that, but they also offer a 1 to 500 leverage. Now, that is good when you don't have a lot of money. I'm not going to lie, back in the day, I put £10 in, even £3 in, and multiplied it. Now, other accounts, brokers won't allow you to do that. They'll say, oh, your minimum's like £200, and even the demo accounts are like minimum £200. Now, for me, it's like, okay, it's a demo account, let me test in it. But yeah, so I use IC markets for smaller amounts, especially for getting the best out of your trades. So because sometimes you can place a trade, and depending on what pair it is, currency pair it is, the spreads are massive, and then you have to make like 2 to 3 pips before you even make any money. So if you're on a scalp, which I tend to do, it doesn't really help you, because that scalp, those first few pips are what you're looking for. And sometimes you can't break even because of the spreads that are made on there. I use another one as well called Key to Markets. Now they are a not, I keep saying FBA, it's not FBA. You know what I mean. They are regulated in the UK. They're London based, and they're a great broker. My company used them. Learn Academy Club / also known as AKA St. James Exchange, the project funding company that I'm also involved in. We use those as well. We hold a lot of big client money in there, and they're great people to work with. They're happy to help out. We've even had not, I wouldn't say arguments, but we've had disputes with them where we're saying what's happened with this account, and they actually go through everything with you to tell you whether you've gone wrong or whether it was them, and they're happy to help all the way through. I'll link both of my, I'll say it straight, I'll link both of my affiliate links in there, because with IC Markets, you're going to get the best spreads ever, just by using my link. And the Key to Markets one, anyone that I add through that will also get preferential rates, just because of my academy. They hold so much respect in the Key to Markets broker, so that we just, anyone that comes through to us, they look after them basically. So yeah, let's just go for a setup today and just show you what we have to do. So icmarkets.com. This is if you're using this one. I'm not going to go through the Key to Markets one because it's self-explanatory as it is. I'm just doing this just to show you. So press start trading. It's just asking you if you're over the age of 18, and telling you that you're on an EU website, because of the simple fact that I'm in the UK. That's what it's asking you for, just to confirm that you know that. And you have to put in your personal details as it says here. Then the next one's tell us about yourself. Now this is just to confirm that your money is coming in legitly. They just want to know that trading is okay for you to do. They're not going to say, oh, because you're a bin man, for example, you can't trade. I don't know why that is my example, but yeah, I've never been a bin man, but it's just the first thing that came up. But just for example, they won't tell you no. I don't think it's going to let me go next. I'm not creating a new account. Trading account configuration, make sure it's a GBP if you're in the UK. I would do that anyway, because any money you make, if GBP is the strongest at this current time, so any money you make, once you transfer it, it's always going to be the best. So I would just go for GBP. Make sure it's a raw spreads or ECN account. And yeah, go live or demo. If it's your first time trading, definitely go demo. Don't go live until you're ready. Declarations just to say that you're happy to lose your funds and that it is your fault if they are lost. But working with me, you're not going to lose them. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you the source, man. We're going to get this done together. And then, yeah, we're going to make some money. So what I'll do, I'm going to log in to one of my old accounts. And yeah, we'll see how, and I'll just show you kind of how it goes through. Now, these are agents account. This is because I'm an affiliate. I had an affiliate link with this one. I don't use this one anymore. Actually, I think I will still use this one. I'll start mapping people to this affiliate link. This is the affiliate link if you want to take it down. This is the one I'm going to start using. And I'll show you my affiliate. I don't get much, as you can see, it's 90p. It's just change, but it's not really for me to make the money. I want everyone to have the same preferential rates that I get. I was brought on through someone else, and I'm getting these preferential rates, so why wouldn't I share it? Why keep the wealth to myself? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the link. I'm gonna put it in the description anyway. But yeah, these are my affiliate accounts. So don't look at that as my money. It's not my personal money. That's just my affiliate accounts. I'm fresh to doing this, so there's not much people that I'm earning off. I earn a little amount, especially when they don't trade. It's only when they trade I earn. But yeah. So then you got your deposit. You can click your deposit. I'm not clicking my account, so I'm not showing you that. So there's loads of different ways. You got your Visa, SafeCharge, loads of different WorldPay, different gateway platforms that you can use to get through. Klarna, Skrill, Rapid. There's even a Bitcoin one somewhere. I've used it before, so yeah. And then you got downloads. Downloads. If you're on a Windows computer, you press that one. I'm not sure what WebTrader is. I think it's a website. Is most popular trading platform in the world, is now available. I don't know what that one is. Never used it. Apple Mac. If you use a Mac like me, I'm on an iPad at the minute. I used to actually have this laptop, this iMac, and I downloaded this one. So that's what I used to use. There's a iOS app, Android app. So yeah, there's always something there They haven't. Oh, there's the iPhone. Yeah, the iOS one. This is the one that I use on my iPad. But yeah, so everything you need is all here. Please make sure you get MT4. MT5 is a whole another ball game. And we're not going into that today. So just make sure you get an MT4 account. That's something else I should have probably told you when you're setting up your account as well. Make sure it's an MT4 account. But yeah, I think that's everything I should be telling you. If you get a demo account, once you set up your account, you'll get an email. The email will tell you your account login details. And then if you look at the how to set up the account video, which I'm going to plug in as well, then you'll be able to see it on your phone or on your desktop or however you want to do it. And yeah, we're ready to go. So look out for the next video, and I'm going to keep teaching you guys what I know about Forex, all right? Thank you for staying subscribed. Like, subscribe, and turn off that notification. Heck, share it with your people as well, because I'm trying to build my fan base. I haven't got a subscriber base at the minute, but I said to my little brother Xavier, aka XP, that we both need to start pushing our YouTube accounts this year. He does music, he does beats, he makes instrumentals, he also writes lyrics as well, so he's actually got songs out there. He's got albums worth of songs, and he won't release them. He holds on to them and saying, you got to let the world see them. There's no point in making them as a hobby. So let them out. So his New Year's resolution was start YouTube and letting his music out, and mine was to start YouTube and letting my knowledge on Forex out. So this is what I'm doing, and this is where we're going with it. Zav, you better be doing your thing, man. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Continue pushing on. I know COVID's killing us, but let's stay strong. We got this, man. Let's make money at home.